Hello TribalMakers, my name is and welcome to my channel. I believe that every person deserves to have a happy, healthy life, and the best way to achieve both of them is through dancing. In today's practice combo, Tuesday combo, we're going to learn 4 sentences, 32 count, a fun follow-along fusion belly dance combination. This is an intermediate advanced level combo. Do whatever feels comfortable for you and always use your judgment. If something doesn't feel right, you don't have to do it right now. You either need to work on your technique, on the muscle memory you need in order to do a specific movement, or you can change and do something else. I upload new Tuesday combos every Tuesday, so you can pick and match and learn new combinations and change sentences as you like. Now I have a few more things to add before we'll start the practice. I have a new haircut, so I hope you like it. I'm transitioning into gray. We'll see if I like it. If not, I'll dye my hair back. And also the reason I haven't uploaded a new tutorial for you last week, guys, and I'm really sorry about that. I have a cervical spine injury. My C6 vertebra here moved a little bit, which projected pain to my arm and to the elbow and to the scapulas. I don't recommend it to any of you. But things are getting better now. I'm feeling better. Hopefully I'll have it all under control in a bit. And with that being said, make sure you're warmed up, that you have a glass of water nearby, and let's begin with the practice. On the first 8 counts, we're going to sway our weight from one side and to the other on 8 counts. So we're going up on releve, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And the hips move a little bit, sway a little bit from one side to the other. It's not a hip slide, meaning I'm not pulling with my hip. I'm just transitioning my weight to here, and I'm emphasizing this side, and then I'm going up to the other side. Good. Now, when I'm doing the second weight transitioning, I'm going to pivot a little bit. So let's do this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and on the 8th, pivoting here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's do it to the other side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. From here, by the way, when we're pivoting, we're allowing the whole body to change, to move with the pivot, meaning we're moving completely. The torso is also free here. On this, we're going to layer a little bit of shimmy. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, the same side. We're going up on the releve, shimmying in between, going down, going up on releve, shimmying in between, going down. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's do it to the other side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now pay attention, I'm playing with my heels a little bit here. I allow them to disconnect from the floor. Do what feels comfortable. You shouldn't be jamming into your ankles. Now, we're going to do mostly the sentence when we're facing forward, and we're going to do it from one side to the other. But every once in a while, because the third sentence we have a little bit of traveling forward, every once in a while when we'll practice, we're going back with it. So let's try and do this while we're going back. So we're going basically up on releve and taking to the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, when I'm doing the one, I'm lifting my leg up, putting it down, and allowing the shimmy to move. So again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I hit myself with the sofa. Try to make sure that there's nothing around you. And let's do it with the other side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and me hitting the sofa again. But this is the sentence. Let's continue. Start the second sentence when we're pivoting to the side, and we're going to do 2 chest lock up and down. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when you're doing chest lock, it's actually coming from your scapula, so the scapulas are turning inwards and relaxed, inwards and relaxed, and then you just put a little bit of emphasis where your thought. So when you're thinking up, it goes up, so the scapulas are opening, the upper back here going up. So we have up and down, up and down. Good. On the last, down. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4. On 4, we're taking our chest down and we're lifting the leg up here. So again, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're adding our arms. Let's do it to the other side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. And you have this kind of like relaxed feeling, bounciness into it. Do whatever feels comfortable right now. Lift the heel here as high as you're feeling comfortable. You can also just lift your leg a little bit here. You don't have to, or you can leave it down if you're feeling unstable and just lift your arms. Everything works here. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going to do a cross open step, and we're going to use our arms. So we're taking our arms down and across to the front. One hand is going to the front, the other one is going behind the head. So we have here the one, and we're crossing with our leg to one side. So we have 5, 6, we opened our leg and we opened our arms to the side, and 7, 8. Again, let's do it from the beginning. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, let's do it to the other side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's do the whole combination from the beginning. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it to the other side. So we started here, we're going to start to the other side. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, let's continue. On the next 8 counts, we're going to go down to the floor. So we're having some level changes here with our arms. So basically what we did, we finished a little bit of traveling here with a cross step, with a cross open step. And we're going to go down on the count of 1. We're going to pivot our body to the side here. So allow your body to pivot, to change the position of the hips here. So we're moving down and we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I allow my heel to go up here. Make sure that you're feeling comfortable when you're going down. If you're not, you don't need to do this. Also, you can use a little bit of knee padding. This really helps, especially when you are learning the control of going down and going up. So again, from here, we had 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the 5, 6, 7, 8, we're going to take our arm up, using it to elevate us and moving to the side. Now we're all in different places in our practice. So if going down and up is a little bit difficult, if there's something in the lower back that give you a little bit of issues, and maybe the quads are not feeling like doing an exercise today, it's okay. You don't have to do this. You can do other movements. You can just go into shimmy and move your arms with the music. You don't have to go up and down. Find what feels good for you at this moment. Now let's do the same thing to the other side. So we're finished here. We're transitioning into 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I like to look at my arms when I'm doing this movement. You can look at the audience when you're doing it. You can lift your arms up a little bit. If you're here, you can lift it up. You can do a little bit of back bend here. I'm not doing it because of my cervical spine, but you can do whatever feels comfortable for you at this moment. Style this movement as you like, but again, make sure that when you're going down, you're in control. If you're jamming into your knees, if you're just collapsing into your knees, don't do this movement. Keep standing up, and we said that you can do shimmy, you can do a figure 8 here while you're doing this movement. You can do a hip sway, whatever feels comfortable at this moment. You can also do nothing, or not nothing, but you can just do the arm movements when you're working here. So let's do it again, just the sentences. We had from here, we have, and the arm is going down, by the way. I forgot to mention this one, because if you're taking it from the top, it works differently. The rhythm is a little bit different. So we're going to down, 2, 3, 4, and up, 2, 3, 4. And look at your arm when you're finished on the side here. So let's do it to the other side. We have, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now let's do the whole thing from the beginning. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, let's do the same thing to the other side. So we started in this direction, we'll do the same thing to the other. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, shimmy, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's continue. So after doing all this workout of going down, going up, controlling the movement, making sure you're not banging into your knees, working with your arms, your gaze, everything, we're going to relax a little bit. We're going to take our hip back in half a hip circle and 4 count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. From here on the count of 5, we're going to close our leg and we're going to do a Maya. We're going to do a Maya to one side, and it's not symmetrical Maya. So we're going to do 2 counts. So we have 1, 2 here and fast 1 here. So we have 1, 2. It's not 1, 2. It's actually 6, 7, and 8. So again, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's as if the other side is fixing us. So we can start the whole combination to the other side. But let's do the sentence another time. We have from this side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now let's do it to the other side. So our weight is here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's do the whole combination. So with this in this quick 8. And we're opening to one side in the shimmy. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's practice and play with the music. I chose a slow music for this practice. The reason is that a lot of time when we're using a faster tempo, we do a lot. We add a lot of movements, we're doing faster, and it's wonderful and beautiful, but a lot of time it allows us to cheat and steal the movement. And here I would like you to be very mindful of where you are in the practice, meaning be focused, especially when we're going down and going up. So take a deep breath, and we'll start in 7, 8, going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pivot, just up, down, up, arms up, cross, open, going down, 2, 3, 4, and up, 6, 7, 8, and turn, half hip circle, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, other side, 2, 3, 4, going back, 6, 7, 8, and up, down, up, arms up, cross, open, going down, 2, 3, 4, and up, 6, 7, 8, half hip circle, 2, 3, 4, close, 5, 8, other side, 2, 3, 4, and breathe, 7, 8, and up, down, up, arms up, cross, open, and we're done. Great job, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the practice. If you did, please take the time to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I upload new Tuesday combo every Tuesday, so you're more than welcome to check out the previous tutorials. Mix and match them, create your own combinations, your own dances. Again, hope you enjoy it. Take care. I'll see you next week. And remember, life is too short. Enjoy it. Bye.